do this. Then, who did?
Did you decorate this?
No, I thought you did.
Perfect! We're not alone. I think it's friendly.
Wait, where did it go?
Lily, you? I saw him. Happy birthday! Please. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. We want to be your friend. I love birthday parties.
Who's ready for the party?
Shh. It's our little secret.
Wait, I have an idea. You don't have to hide anymore.
Welcome to our family party.
This is my first birthday.
This one is for you.
Wow!
Happy birthday to you.
This is the happiest day ever!
This cupcake is for you.
It's delicious.
Thank you, Leo.
This is a birthday we'll always remember.
Thank you for making my dream come true. Whenever it glows, I'll be nearby.
Happy birthday, my friends!